For CPSTs, it's kind of second nature attaching a lower anchor connector to a lower anchor bar, but not so much for families. So it's kind of helpful if a CPST helps the family understand how to put these connectors onto the bars and take them back off. So we have two types. There's the hook-on sort, and then there's the push-on type. So we'll start looking at the hook-on. So the basic hook-on type has the heavy bar, which should go over the lower anchor, and then it has the spring, which is the moving part that you lift. And then when the system is over the bar, this spring needs to reclose so it's wrapped all the way around the bar. So to put one of this type onto the lower anchor, you first want to find your lower anchor so you know where you're headed for. And then use your index finger, lift up on the spring, put it in sideways, and then you can roll it over the bar. The spring's going to kind of push in and will go over, allow the heavy part to go over the bar. So once I have it on there, I usually like to do a little slide and pull to just make sure it's really actually on like it should be. And so that's our attachment. To take it off of the bar, I'm going to take my index finger underneath because I'm going to need to kind of pull in outward on it, lift the spring so that it goes over the top of the bar, and then push the whole system inward, turn it sideways, and once it's sideways, then I can pull it out, because when it's sideways, this isn't going to reattach to the bar. Connector is a little bit easier, but you do want to make sure that you put it on the right direction, which is where the heavy part, it goes over the top of the bar. And if you look carefully on the side, you can see most of these are going to give you an indication that's going to say this side goes up. Okay, so you can point that out to caregivers. And just like with the other, you're going to find your bar, and in this case you just line it up with the bar and push in. You hear a nice loud click. I really recommend we always check though, tug on it, slide it back and forth, make sure it's really attached, because sometimes it can make a click when it doesn't attach to the bar properly. Then to take it out, you simply push on the red button and then it slides out.